There's a brand new website out there that will pay you instantly in free PayPal money. All you have to do in order to get paid is copy and paste some links. This requires no social media following, no skills or experience, and of course, it's available worldwide. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. Before diving into the video, just a heads up guys, the NexGen logo will be appearing in the video for a couple of times. Count how many times it will appear and share to us your answers in the comment section down below. Okay, so the very first website we will be using today in order to make some good money online is this one here called yazing.com. And you can right away see what this site is about when you come in their homepage. Get paid for every purchase you make and influence online. So basically, this platform offers cash back to people who purchased something. And obviously, since we're not here to spend money, but rather make money, we are not interested in that. What this site has to offer apart from cashbacks that we are actually interested in, you can see just below. Get paid to promote. Yazing also pays you cash rewards when you promote any brand's deals, and coupon page with others, and your influence generates sales. So you can actually make money by promoting other people's products, and you will see soon enough why it is that we are using this site in particular to get paid for promotion and not some affiliate marketplace, for example. Anyways, as you can see right next to this, they will pay you super fast. So you don't have to wait around in order to actually collect your earnings, as is the case with so many other platforms. And through what platform will they pay you? You can see just below, it's none other than PayPal, which is a platform most of you watching this love. So for those of you who have been wondering up until now, this site does offer PayPal indeed. Anyways, what you guys will need to do when you first come onto this site is create a brand new account. To do so, just click on the Join Now button right up here. On the next page, just enter in your username, email address, and password. And then click on Register Now to create your account so you can actually start making money on this site. Once you log into your new account, this is how everything will look. And if you scroll down, you will now be able to see all of these brand new form, which you can either get cash back or get paid to promote. And obviously, as I said before, we want to promote them. And check this out guys, if I wanted to promote this brand, for example, I would get paid $500 for doing so, which when you think about it is insane to say the least. All I would have to do is click on promote to earn, then grab that referral link, and whenever someone makes a purchase via that link, I would earn $500. So there's a lot of money to be made here, most definitely. Now remember how I said I would explain later on as to why we are using this particular site to promote brands and get paid. Well, here's why. When you click on promote to earn for any one of these brands, you will be able to grab your referral link instantly, as you can see. So you don't have to request for approval and then wait around doing nothing, as is the case with so many other platforms. You can instead grab your link immediately, which is one of the main reasons this site is so good. With that said guys, you can grab a referral link to any of these offers, but I would recommend you grab a referral link to a brand in a specific niche, the animal niche, and you will see why that is the case soon. For now though, what you need to do is click on select category here and then click on animals and pet supplies. That will take you over to this page here, and you will now grab a referral link to any one of these brands for as long as it's related to animals. It doesn't matter which one it is. And once you grab a referral link to any of these, it's now time for me to show you a traffic source you can use to get traffic to your link, so you can actually actually make money online. The traffic source in question is actually Instagram, and I will show you guys how you can use Instagram to get traffic. What you'll need to do on Instagram is create a brand new page that is all about dogs, since after all we are promoting a brand about dogs. And so that is what our page should be about. You want to make sure the name of your page is related to dogs, the profile picture as well as the bio. And once you set all that up, it's now time for the next step. The next step will be to add some posts on your dog page. And there's no site more perfect site for obtaining free to use and professionally taken images than pexels.com. On here you can find hundreds of thousands of photos on just about anything. And more importantly for us, you can download and use them freely on your page. And so what I want you guys to do on here is type in something like dog, puppy, cute dog, and so on in the search bar. In doing so, we'll show you all of these images that you can use, and you now want to download a few of them. To do so, just click on this arrow right here. You'd want to download like 5 to 10 of them for now, as you won't be needing too many for the time being. From there, just come back over to Instagram and upload a few of them on your page. And once you do so, once you upload a few of them on your page, it's now time for me to show you how you will be able to grow your page on Instagram so that you can actually make money. What you will need to do is search and open some big dog or animal page in general. Here's what I opened up as an example. And what you will now want to do is open up their followers here and follow as many people as you possibly can. We are doing this to grow our page. This is actually the way most pages grow on Instagram. They follow a bunch of people who are following the same page similar to their own, and they end up in their notifications. And what do you think someone will do who loves dogs, for example, and then sees in their notifications a dog page? Chances are they will follow them back. And this is how, as I said it, most pages on Instagram grow, and how we will grow as well. This can be incredibly effective because in like 20 minutes, you can follow hundreds of people, meaning that you can potentially grow your page to thousands of followers in like a week or even less. Before we go on through, now is the perfect time for me to explain why we want for the animal niche in the first place. The reason is that it's extremely popular. As simple as that, it's far easier to grow a dog page rather than a page about something else, because the dog page is one of the biggest on Instagram. And since Instagram will be our traffic source, the amount of money we will be able to make will depend directly on the number of our followers. And this is why, guys, we went for the animal niche in particular. It can, simply put, and make us far more money. Anyways, guys, once you grow your page to a certain degree, you will want to upload dog photos at least 3 to 4 times a week. This is to make sure that your page actually grows even more from there. And after some time has passed, guys, what you want to do is leave something in your bio along with the lines of best dog products for good price. And then leave your referral link. You go back in the beginning on Yazing. And in this fashion, literally thousands of people following you will be able to see it, and every single time some of them makes a purchase, you will earn money. And if you do the math, hundreds of people buying a product from a brand you are promoting that costs, for example, $20 would make you thousands of dollars. And if 1,000 or more do so, then that's even more money. In this fashion, guys, with your dog page, not only will you be able to make a lot of money in completely passive income, but you will do so without having to do that much work or whatsoever. Now with that said, this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you did get some value out of it. Please comment down below if this video can help you a lot financially. Then be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel with notifications on so you'll not miss out any of the new future contents. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos.